Hey everybody, it's Mr. Sanito, and we're going to do a little bit more math. And this math is going to look a lot like what we did in the last lesson. We're going to be using tens and ones to add bigger numbers. But with the problems that I'm giving you today, these are number stories. So the help I'm going to give you is I'm going to help you by reading the problems. But before we get started with that, why don't you get your math book and a pencil? You can pause the video and come back when you've got your book. The page number that we're on is page 464. And it starts with this problem up here that has a strawberry. So let me read you the problem, and maybe I can give you a little bit of help. It says, Rita picks 63 strawberries. I love strawberries. Then she picks 30 more. How many strawberries does Rita pick? So what you're going to need to do is just like the last lesson. You're going to look for the numbers, you're going to draw them with tens and ones, and then you're going to count the ones and you're going to count the tens. Now, I see some important numbers here. Let's circle these important numbers. And what would the number sentence be? Well, we're going to take 63 strawberries because that's what she picks. And then she picks 30 more. And the question says, how many strawberries does she pick? So in this problem, are we adding or subtracting? We're going to be adding. So let's finish writing the number sentence. And we have to solve. What you're going to do, and you're going to have to do this on another sheet of paper where you've got room, is you're going to draw 63 with tens and ones. You're going to draw 30 with tens and ones. And then you're going to circle and count and solve. Let's take a look at this problem. Problem 16. Now, problem 16 is a little tricky, so I'm going to need some help. You don't have to do this problem in your book, but you do have to watch the Math on the Spot video. So I'm going to stop right here, and I'm going to show it to you right now. Pay attention. Are you ready? Here we go.
Professor Rena?
What are you up to?
Oh, I'm just watching my oak tree grow. I planted an acorn earlier, and then I watered it, and now I'm just waiting.
Oh, okay. Well, you know that seeds take a long time to grow into a tree. You know what we could do in the meantime? We could do a puzzle.
Oh, that would be awesome!
Great.
I'll be right back.
Yeah, you're going to like this one, Joey. It's about seeds.
Oh, well, let's get growing.
All right. Kenny planted 2 rows of corn.
2 rows of corn.
He used 20 seeds in each row.
20 seeds each row.
He has 18 seeds left.
Oh.
How many seeds of corn did Kenny have to begin with? All right, so how are we going to do this? Let's take a look at the picture of what he did with the seeds.
Okay, yeah, so good idea.
First we know that he had 20 seeds planted in each row, and there were 2 rows. Okay, so in each row he planted 20 seeds. So 20 seeds and 20 seeds. Yes?
I got it.
Okay. Now, after that, he still had 18 seeds left over. Yes?
Right.
Okay. So, what kind of a puzzle is this? What are we doing here with all these numbers?
It's like you got to put them all together.
Yes?
So, wouldn't you add?
That's right. We're going to add all of the numbers of seeds together.
Oh, I like adding.
Me too. Okay, so what we're going to do is start with figuring out how many seeds he planted.
Okay.
So if I were going to set up an addition sentence here, what would I write?
Well, you have 20.
20.
And then plus sign, plus 20 more seeds.
That's right.
And then,
20 plus 20.
Right, we got to find out what that adds up to be.
Exactly. We need to figure out what that is. I'm just going to.
What's that little sign called again?
Equal sign.
Equal.
Very good.
Equal.
Okay. Now, let's go ahead and do a quick picture to figure out what 20 plus 20 is.
Okay.
Okay. So 20 is
10,
20. Okay. And the other 20 is 10, 20. So how many is that all together? 10, 20, 30, 40. So we have 40 seeds planted.
All right. We know that there's 40 seeds planted.
That's right. Now, what we want to do is add up the number of seeds that he planted with the number of seeds he did not plant.
Right, the ones that he'll plant later, I bet.
Yeah, maybe so. Exactly. So what we need to do is add 40 and 18.
Okay.
Right? 40 and 18. So I'm going to write that over here. 40 plus 18. And this is what we need to find.
Right.
Okay, let's move this down a little bit here.
Okay.
Right
oh,
there.
are we going to draw another quick picture?
Yes, we are.
I love
yes,
those.
exactly.
They really help.
I know they do. They really do. So let's go ahead and rewrite a quick picture for 40.
Okay.
So 40 is 10, 20, 30, 40. Plus 18, and 18 is how many tens?
It is 110.
110, and then
8 little ones.
8 little ones.
Those
Let's count
round
them.
circles.
The round circles.
That kind of look like seeds.
That's true, they do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is that good?
Yeah, that's great.
Okay, now let's figure out how many tens we have all together.
Okay.
Ready? So that would be, first of all of those. So
Right.
let's count by 10, shall we?
Okay.
Okay, and we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50.
Oh, there's 50.
There's 50. Okay.
5, 10.
Just remember 50, and then we'll count. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. Good job. So 40 plus 18 is 58. So what does 58 mean? What
That is how many seeds Kenny had.
That's right. That's the number of corn seeds that Kenny began with before he started planting. There you go.
Hey, you know what?
What?
That's corny.
Yeah, that's corny.
Thanks, Professor Rena. Now that we finished that,
Yes.
I have to get back to watching my tree grow.
Okay. Joey, it takes a long time for a tree to grow.
It does?
Yes.
Oh, how long? Like 2 hours, 3 hours, maybe 4?
Years.
What?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Well, hey, why don't we
Are
go?
you sure?
Oh yeah. Why don't we go outside and we'll play some basketball for a while?
Oh, I love basketball. That's a really great idea.
Have fun with math, everybody. Joey?
Oh, coming. Boy, it's going to be a long game.
Okay, if you want to write the answer to that one here, you can do that, but I'm going to move on to problem 17. Look at the trees. Let me read the problem to you. It says, there are 7 oak trees and 32 pine trees in the park. How many trees are in the park? Well, look for those important numbers. 7, 32. See if you can add them up. You can try that on another sheet of paper and then put the answer there. The next problem is down here, number 18, and it says, use the model, draw to show how to add the tens. Well, they've done some of the work for you, but you're going to add 42 plus 20, and you're going to draw everything inside that box, and you're going to give me the answer down there. Not too hard. I think you can handle it. But for today, we're going to do one more page. And the next page is going to be page 465. The directions say use tens and ones and your math board. But we don't have math boards, so you're just going to draw on another sheet of paper. That's all. So I'll just cross that out. Then it says add the ones or tens, write the sum. And you're going to do all these problems right there. And you're going to do problem 11 in the red box. And it says solve, draw, or write to explain. You probably just want to draw. And it reads, Maria has 21 marbles. She buys a bag of 20 marbles. How many marbles does Maria have now? So again, look for those important numbers, circle them. You're going to go ahead and draw your tens and your ones, count them, and give me your answer right there. Whew! When you're done, be sure to take pictures and send them to me in Class Dojo. Have a great day, boys and girls.